Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can send customer invoices through Woocommerce. So let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and then Add New. Now, in the search bar, type Woocommerce PDF Invoices and Packing Slips. Install and activate the plugin developed by WP overnight. It's free and works perfectly with Woocommerce. Once it's activated, go to Woocommerce, then go to PDF Invoices, and then General. Here, you can set up your invoice details, add your store logo, address, and other information you want to appear on the invoice. You can also choose when the invoice should be automatically sent, for example, after an order is completed or when payment is received. Now, whenever a customer places an order, Woocommerce will automatically generate a PDF invoice and attach it to the order confirmation email. If you want to customize the design, you can go to the Templates tab and adjust the layout, text, or logo position to match your brand. And that's it now. You know how to automatically send customer invoices through Woocommerce quickly and professionally. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.